Welcome, students. In this class, let us understand what are the other types of relations. In previous class, we have learned the definitions of universal relation and empty relation. Now, very important from the examination point of view, you will get 2 marks and 3 marks problems related to these definitions. So, let us try to understand very important definition here. Try to concentrate on the subject here. Reflexive relation. What is the meaning of reflexive relation? A relation R, capital R, in a set A. So as we know, we need a set here. A relation R in a set A is called reflexive. If you see ordered pair A comma A belongs to R for all the elements of the set A. So here reflexive means an element is related to itself. So here I have written A comma A belongs to R, or A is related to A itself. See, both are same here. If you take any element that should be related to itself, such type of relation is called reflexive relation. So carefully observe the example here for reflexive relation. I have considered a set A 1, 2, 3, and I have defined a relation R. Of course, it is roster method. I have defined the relation in roster method. We can define it in rule method also. Okay, let us observe here. What are the ordered pairs I have considered here? So 1, 2, 3 is my set, and the relation defined on this set is, so I have taken some of the ordered pairs here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. So here clearly we can say here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Here 1 is related to itself, 2 is related to itself, 3 is related to itself. You see here, every element is related to itself, not to other. Reflexive relation says, if you take any element that should be related to itself, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಅದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So such type of relation is called reflexive relation. So here all you see here for all the elements. So for all, this is very important. So every element is related to itself, therefore it is reflexive relation. So let us consider another relation here. Say here this is R1, first relation. So I considered here second relation R2. So for the same set, of course, that is 1, 2, 3. So here my second relation is, so you can take any pair you want, not only what I am showing in the video, just for understanding purpose I am saying here. So I have considered 3 pairs here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. So here observe that clearly 1, 1 is there, 2, 2 is there, but 3, 3 is missing here. 3, 3 does not belongs to R. So what we told in the definition is, every element, you see here for all. So here very easy to get confused here by seeing 1, 1, 2, 2 ಇವೆರಡೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ 1, 1, 2, 2 ಜೊತೆ 3, 3 ಅನ್ನೋ ಪೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. 3, 3 ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Okay, this is the definition. Second one, let me come to the second definition here. Symmetric relation. You see this one is same, a relation R in set A is called symmetric. So for this, if we have a pair, say if A comma B belongs to R, implies, so here you change the order here, A comma B is present means B comma A should also be present in the relation. So for all A comma B belongs to the given set. So how we can understand this? Let us take the same example here, 1, 2, 3. So I have considered so the pairs here. So I have taken some of the pairs here. So please understand this. Here, out of these pairs, see here, I am observing 1, 2. This pair is there, means 2, 1 should be present here. So 1, 2 is present in the relation, also 2 comma 1 is. So A comma B, generally we say B comma A. So this is okay. Then if we consider say another pair here, 2 comma 3 is there. So then another one is 3 comma 2, which is also present. Therefore clearly we can say R is symmetric. So let me take another example. So see here, for the same set, of course, relation is different. So let me write here, say this is first relation, and this one is say second relation, my second relation. So let us check this one, 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 comma 2 on the set A. So here clearly our job is to check whether it is symmetric or not. So here we observe this 1 comma 2 is present here, or 2, but should be having 2 comma 1, but it is not present here. 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R, so it violates the definition. So it is not symmetric. So you have to remember here only two things, very simple definitions. Reflexive relation means every element is related to itself. We write this mathematically, A comma A belongs to R, for all A belongs to A. Symmetric means if we have a pair A comma B belongs to R, then we should be having B comma A belongs to R. So you can take your own examples, very simple examples I have considered here. I have taken only 1 2 3. You can vary the number of elements here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಯರ್ 1 2 3, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ will be having 9 elements. Out of these 9 elements I have selected some of the ordered pairs. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So third relation is, so I can say here, very important relation. Third relation is transitive relation. So you observe here, transitive relation. This is very one of the important relations. Last one, lot of students will get confused here. Transitive means same definition says. So you observe here, for this transitivity we should be considering two pairs. Which are those? A comma B, B comma C belongs to R. So A comma B belongs to R, and you observe the second pair here, it should start with B comma C. That means here where it ends, here it begins, B comma C. A comma B and B comma C are the pairs. Then we should be having a pair like this, A comma C. Then only we say that it is a transitive relation. For example, so as our previous examples, let us consider this 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then I have taken one relation here. Say let me write R1 here. Say 1 2 2 3 1 3. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 1 2 ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ, 2 ಕಾಮ 3 ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಕಾಮ 3. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಸಿ ಥರ ಪೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಅನದರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಯರ್, ಸೇ R2. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಪೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 1 ಕಾಮ 2 2 ಕಾಮ 1. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು 1 ಕಾಮ 2 ಸೇರಿದೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ, 2 ಕಾಮ 1 ಸೇರಿದೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ನೋಡಿ 1 2 2 1 ನಮಗೇನಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು 1 1. ಎ ಕಾಮ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಕಾಮ 1 ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ you have to concentrate here. AB BC belongs to R implies AC belongs to R. So let us learn about few more examples in the next class.